Alright, let's continue. Don't worry about the right side of the board at this point. So here, computer vision, what are the applications? Well, face recognition is an application. You see it on the iPhone, it recognizes your face and unlocks the phone, but also, access to certain areas may be going through face recognition. Object detection, this is specifically interesting for autonomous vehicles, AVs. You see these pictures often where you have an image and then you have these red rectangles around people or cars and they are moving, so the camera is actually moving these. So this is object detection. Then we have image recognition. We will use this in our coding exercise. We're gonna recognize pictures of cats and dogs. So we will predict when the machine sees a picture that it has never seen, if it's a cat or a dog. But image recognition also we have in the medical field, that you have an X-ray or an MRI scan that the computer can tell you whether you have a tumor or no tumor, or cancer or no cancer. So this is all possible. And also image captioning, that a computer looks at a picture and then generates a text explaining that picture. This is, for example, important for blind people on the internet. Pictures should always have a description so that the blind people can hear the text. Alright, in terms of content, well, basically there is the first point here, which is the convolution operation. Convolution operation actually comes from the signal theory. This is a bit of a technical thing. I do feel that it's interesting to know where convolution came from and how it is applied to machine learning. But if you're not interested, this can be optional. So there's a little bit of math here, but I'll try to keep it relatively intuitive. And then the second piece is where we actually look at Covnets. So we need to introduce some new terms: filters, padding strikes, pooling, max pooling, feature or activation maps, feature extraction. Then we're going to apply a Covnet on a smaller data set. And we're going to discover what is data augmentation, what's fine-tuning, and what is transfer learning. We will see that when it comes to computer vision, that we will be able to rely on exercises that have been done in the past. And then, of course, we will do a coding exercise. Coding will be a pretty significant topic here, and a lot of these terms will be shown as the result of a coding exercise. Now, also I need to tell you that the exercises that we will do in this case will be a bit more heavy in terms of memory capacity of the computer. It will be uploading about 50,000 pictures of cats and dogs. This will take hours before you're gonna get it uploaded onto your Google Drive. There's other ways to do it. You can use the Python libraries OS and Shuttle, but there again you depend on Python, and I don't like to do it. I like to stay in Colab and use Google Drive in order to access the data.